Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to blur your picture on the Photoshop application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should click on the home button down below and tap on photo editor. Then you should select the picture that you would like to edit, tap on it. Tap on the adjustments button down below in the left side corner of the screen. Slide to the right side below the slider and then click on the blur option. Here you have two features that you can use, either radial or the full blur option that you can apply. Tap on the relevant one and you should position the circle into the selected object, or to the selected object or part of your face in this case when we are talking about selfies. And then you should use the slider in the middle of the screen to adjust the intensity of the blur on the selected object. So here you can see the difference, that this is the full option and this is the radial that you can select. You can also modify the size of the circle. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.